In the current technological landscape, a disruptive figure emerges that promises to radically transform the world of programming. Devin AI. Conceived by the innovative startup Cognition Labs, this AI-powered software engineer is distinguished not only by its programming skills, but also by its ability to redefine the rules of the game in software development. An intriguing question arises when considering the advanced technology behind Devin. If it possesses such a capacity to execute projects autonomously, what is the reason behind Cognition Labs' decision to share it with the world instead of exclusively capitalizing on its potential? Devin's unique capabilities. Unlike conventional AI-based coding assistants, Devin AI represents a quantum leap towards autonomy in software development. Its ability to carry projects from conception to final execution raises questions about its true capabilities and the current limits of this technology. Comprehensive project management. Devin demonstrates its competence by developing an interactive website that simulates the famous game of life, incorporating functionalities at the user's request and deploying the result to Netlify, which evidences an unprecedented level of autonomy and adaptability. Challenges and limitations. Despite the promise of revolutionizing software development, it is evident that Devin is still in its early stages, relying heavily on human intervention. This raises questions about its ability to handle highly complex projects without external support. One of the limitations is need for supervision. The videos illustrate how Devin assists Andrew in maintaining and debugging his open-source competitive coding book project, highlighting the importance of human supervision to refine and validate Devin's work. The future of software development with Devin. The prospect of Devin replacing human developers has been a topic of debate. However, the comparison to the relationship between calculators and mathematicians is enlightening. Tools enhance efficiency, but do not eliminate the need for deep human understanding and creativity in solving complex problems. Thus, Devin emerges as an ally for software engineers, boosting the quality and efficiency of their projects. Reflections on Devin's integration. As with other AI tools like ChatGPT, implementing Devin into the software development workflow can optimize time in the initial stages of coding, although it may require additional effort to ensure the compatibility, functionality, and scalability of the generated code. Market implications and competitiveness. The possibility of third parties using Devin to offer paid services introduces a potential competitive scenario, highlighting a familiar challenge in the age of artificial intelligence. Transparency in the use of AI-based tools and open collaboration between developers emerge as crucial factors for navigating this new terrain. In short, Devin AI not only symbolizes a remarkable advancement in AI-powered software development assistance, but also represents a turning point towards deep reflection on its effective integration into the industry. Openly addressing the ethical, practical, and commercial concerns it raises is essential to fully unlock its potential and limitations. As we move towards a future filled with human-AI collaboration, it is imperative to cultivate a constructive dialogue that allows technology like Devin to flourish, ensuring that its evolution and adoption benefit the tech community as a whole, paving the way for unprecedented innovations.